You can now run ChatGPT level AI completely offline, 100% free and totally private on your own computer. And no, you don't need a NASA supercomputer to do it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up almost any newest, most capable open source model right into your machine in under 5 minutes. The tool that we are going to use is LM Studio. So head over to lmstudio.ai and click on this download for Windows button. It will download an installer, just run the installer and your application will be downloaded. Now before we dive into the application, let's talk about hardware. You don't need a crazy setup for this. If you have decent modern laptop with at least 8 to 16 GB of RAM or a dedicated graphics card from the last few years, you're good to go. And trust me when I say this, M Studio is the most straightforward and user-friendly way to get a local AI up and running. Alright, so as soon as you open up your application, you need to navigate to model search option, which is this right here. Click on the robot looking button, then search for a model. Right now, we are going to be installing the GEMMA 4 model, which is the latest Google open source model. You can even go ahead and search for any of the model like QWEN or Ollama, etc. As soon as you select the model, you'll open up this page right here, which is the model description or the README file of the model. Now, you'll see a list of files in each and every model under the download options. If you click on this button right here, it will show you all the different options for downloading. And each one is named like Q4KM or Q6K or Q8O. Now don't let the technical terms scare you. Think of this as a compression. If you have 8 GB of RAM, go with the Q4KM. It's a sweet spot between performance and the size. If you have 16 GB or more, feel free to grab the larger version like Q6 or Q8 for even better accuracy. I'm just gonna stick with the Q4 version and click on the download button to start the downloading of the model. Once the model is downloaded, you can either click on this use in chat button or you can even use this load model button over here. And there's another way as well. If you close both of these, click on the select model to load option at the very top and then choose the model that you just downloaded. I have a couple of models installed and downloaded, so you'll probably have just this GEMMA 4. Select that and wait for it to be loaded, and then you can go right ahead, click on this chat button to start a new chat using the model that you just loaded. Now we have got our chat open up, and for the real test, I've disconnected my internet. Just check this out. This shows that I don't have any internet connection, but if I go back to my LM Studio and send any message in my chat, like let's just start off with a simple hey, and if I send it over, the model start processing the prompt and you can see the thinking process right over here. And here I've got a response. The model replied with, hey, what's up? How can I help you? Now, here's the catch. Your model will take a little bit longer to respond, but on the plus side, it's running completely without any sort of internet connection right on your device locally. So let's ask it a real question or some sort of coding challenge. Here's the prompt. I've asked it to create a Python code snippet to connect login API with a dashboard. I'm going to send this over and wait for the response. So this might take a while, but while it's processing, let me just give you a quick tip. If your model is really slow or it's very laggy, then you're probably using a larger model which your computer or your device can't handle. So delete the model, install a smaller version of it, and you're good to go. And if you think you have downloaded the right version and yet it's still lagging, then you can go ahead, free up some space in your device, like turning off any heavy load application or even removing certain apps from your recents that might be hogging up your computer's memory. Okay, so I've got my response and it gave me a couple of things. Actually, it started with the setup instruction, gave me the entire app.py, which is the main file, and then there are other files which will be the login and the dashboard, which the API is connecting. And of course, there is the setup instruction as well. So it did take a little while, but gave a full response just like any other AI. But instead of going online, we can do that all without any internet connection. So that was how you can install and run any of the models using LM Studio locally in your device. Hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next one.